So, ano yung pinaka-expensive gift that you have given your
Time.
significant other? But,
Time.
well, pwede ba yun? Counted ba? Sige, but
Time,
you know,
of course.
like, you, tama yun, but everyone gives time to their significant other. But like,
Expensive.
yeah.
Kasi akong alam na
Gano
yun eh.
ka
I mean, she likes
generous.
perfumes and I don't like it, but I have to give it a perfume, you know. Kasi feeling ko, masasayang lang. Ang mahal-mahal ng perfume. Pag in-spray mo, mauubos din. Doesn't make sense.
Ganon.
So, a ring, what else?
The ring. Yun
Hindi naman eh.
pinakamahal.
Kasi that's love, you know. You
Yeah.
can't. Ako kasi time. Kasi time is like, I do so many things. I have so many things to do. But then,
Right.
alam mo yun, taking time to sit down with you, to have you finish a meal, to listen to your story, you know, that's a lot.
Yeah.
You know, and for me, okay yun. Nakikinig ako.
For a guy,
ganda
ha?
rin.
Kasi
Yung
syempre,
guys, we don't
they're
listen.
efficient, they're,
We're physical.
Yeah.
You know, we're physical.
I
Then after the
understand.
physical, then we listen.
That's
Pero ngayon,
true.
when you really listen, you sit there and you're like, talaga, ganun ba ginawa ng pusa mo? Yung malalalim ng usapan.